What's up? It's 5/27, May 31st, 2026, and we're here in Red Bank, New Jersey. The weather is 75 degrees. Not bad at all. Pretty nice. So you guys can see me there. Little big guy doing a little mirror moment right here. If you can see me, there we go. This one, it's over here a little. It's harder on that one. All right. So yeah, we're gonna walk around Red Bank today, shooting in HLG, HDR, and let's see what's going on here. It's a little bit late in the afternoon, so Red Bank is a cool spot. We haven't been down here in a little while, and we're right near the Count Basie Theater, which is right here. That was actually the window that I was showing my mirror moment on. Right there, Count Basie Theater. Boom. See it across the street. Boom. A lot of cool little restaurants here. This is a nice little town, and I really think it's like kind of like in the countryside. Around here is like very country to get here, and then once you see Red Bank, it's like, man, okay, there's like a little city developed. And like I would say, New Jersey is like a bunch of little cities, and they're spread out. It's not like Manhattan where you just walk and walk. But yeah, it's there's definitely a great area here, Red Bank. Great spot to come out and walk. The weather's so nice. And I'll tell you, it was a little chilly last time we were here. Last time was for the Oktoberfest that was going on, but there wasn't really anything much going on for that one when we were here. So yeah. So the Count Basie Theater, that's one of the famous things about this Red Bank. Let me check little big guy, make sure he's okay. He looks all right. But yeah, Count Basie was born here, and he was a famous jazz pianist. And he was born in Red Bank, 1904. That's why the town's like landmark theater is named the Count Basie Center for Arts. So there's a little fun fact for you. Let's go. They got some music rocking over here in this bar. Yeah, they got like a live band. Okay, that's pretty cool. A little Journey. That's cool. You know, another fun fact, I used to karaoke that one a lot. But I'm not gonna sing it right now. It just might not be a good look for us right now. I really don't know much about if you're allowed to sing songs on platforms nowadays, so it's better to not do it. But I've done my share of singing on social media and things like that, but we're not gonna do that. Of course I would like to, but no. Okay, so we got the Teak Asian Fusion right here. Nice day for the outdoors. The outdoors dining. Such a great day for that today. Smells pretty good over here, this food. It's a nice Asian seafood kind of vibe. It smells really, really nice. Okay, so let's go. There's a Red Bank Catholic Fine Performing Arts Center. Super awesome. Toast City Diner. That place might be closed on Sundays. Was I here last time? Was it a Sunday? It was either a Saturday or a Sunday. I'm not really sure. But that wasn't open back then either. So I really don't know. But it was a little chilly last time. Right now, this is comfortable. Feels good to be down here in the warmer weather. We're getting there. Walking season is here. Feels great. Little big guy's happy to walk. Our Pocket 3 camera. LBG. They got the brick surface here on the sidewalk, which is very unique, very, very unique. The whole sidewalk here is brick. I'm sure that took a lot of work to do. That wasn't like easy. I would think so. Like, look, you got to lay these bricks out, man. And this is the Irish pub here, the Dublin House. So the Dublin House here is a cool spot. For the Oktoberfest, they had a lot of people here, the Dublin House. So let's walk through over here this way. And a lot of Irish vibes here. The Irish vibes are great. Dublin House. The breeze is so nice right now. I'm telling you, we're really getting into a much better season with the weather. And yeah, they got some partying going on here in the back. So let's just cruise. They got some music, we gotta go. But yeah, it's a great spot here. Great, great stuff. So yeah, good times, good times. Good partying going on there. It feels like it's kind of like being down the shore. Red Bank is really like a shore town. You really don't see the beach or anything like right here, but if you go a little bit out, actually towards the front of me that way, you can see more like shore, like the ocean and things like that. I know driving up in here, you cross over like a bridge, and there's the ocean and all the boats and stuff. So it's very, very cool. Very laid back down here right now. It just feels so comfortable. Yeah, so us walking people, when we come out walking and the weather's nice, we kind of really just love it. And this side, the East Coast, because we go through some really cold weather. There's the Domino's Pizza right there. Got an Oriental Empire right here, Asian cuisine, sushi bar. So let's walk a little bit over this way. Yeah, so an update on the color grading and color correcting, which I do. I'm kind of stepping away from color grading, like, you know, cinematic, LUT, L-U-T, you know, it's a LUT, called L-U-T, a LUT. I'm trying to get away from all that and just be the real. We want the real. And it serves these walking videos better to just make it like real, not all cinematic. Back in the day, you know, I've been doing this for years, and it's still a lot of people are doing the cinematic, but I mean, honestly, I think it's just better to make it real. That's why we shoot in the HDR, HLG. It does take up a lot more space on the hard drive and all that. there's a lot involved in the back end of these kind of things. It might look simple when you're doing walking videos, when you're watching these walking videos, but it requires some, like anything else, it requires some practice and things like that. And there's a lot of technical. But yeah, I think I'm getting things dialed in pretty well. HDR is very delicate, so you have to be very careful with HDR and post-production. But anyway, yeah, let's walk. So we're on Front Street right now. This is West Front Street and near the boat club lane.
Yeah, would you want me to jump?
Oh yeah, sure.
I got my fuel.
Okay. So right there you got the water. We can actually maybe take a peek down here at the water. And yes, we will be getting out to the Jersey Shore quite soon, and we're kind of at the Jersey Shore right now, so technically we kind of are. But like the Point Pleasant and Seaside and Asbury and stuff like that I'm talking about. And the Kingsburg, we do like to go there also. But we are at the Jersey Shore right now. Just not the actual boardwalk kind of Jersey Shore, like Long Branch too. That's another one we like to go to. So yeah, feels great walking around. I don't know how far I can go in the boat thing here. They probably don't let you go too far. Sometimes they don't. But yeah, looking cool down here. We probably can't go too far down by the boats. I'm not sure. I know a lot of places they don't really want you walking down near the boats. So we're just gonna go to there. But as you see, we're right by the water and it's so nice. The breeze is actually coming from the direction I'm walking in right now. So it's not coming off the ocean. Okay, so we're on Front Street and there's Broad Street. But Red Bank is a nice area. I think most people agree with that in the area of New Jersey. Not everybody has a uniform opinion about anything, but for the most part, we have a good, a very, very cool area here. So what's going on down here? They got Broad Street closed. So let's take a walk down Broad Street in a minute. We gotta wait for the cars.
Because they were closed.
Okay, there we go. We got it? No, we don't have it yet. Okay. Okay, still waiting. There we go. Coming soon. The light. Good vibes, energy and nutrition right here. Shore Pole Fitness, a nice little gym spot. This is a very long light. Okay, we got it. Let's go. Very long light here. Wow, okay, so down here on Broad Street, we have a like street closed here, so wow, this is very Manhattan-ish right here for sure. So something's going on here, maybe, or it's just closed, just for the party. So this is very, very Manhattan-ish here. Reminds me of the Little Italy just now in Manhattan we were walking in. So yeah, it's really nice here. The food smells amazing. So they have upcoming May events here. Kickoff party. Fitness, dog walk, style workshop, live music, story time, live music, cooking demo, kids karaoke, sweaty girl fitness, live music. Cool. Wow, this is super awesome.
I would just get cash. Like, I would get You have to get yeah, now. You have to get a guest pass.
If you don't call them, and they'll be so scared.
Oh, yeah.
She comes here like 3 nights. Those are mine.
Chocolate Works. Got a surf taco over there.
I forgot to get the sun.